SpaceX is a rocket company that was founded by Elon Musk, the world's richest man, and that's just one of the reasons why I'll be buying the SpaceX stock very, very soon. SpaceX is going to be coming in with a valuation over $1.7 trillion, and the opening day for this stock is Friday, June 10th. Now, this is going to be a simple video. If you want something complicated, you turn on the news. I'm going to make this real simple for you. SpaceX makes money by launching customer satellites in space, and they're the only rocket company that uses fully reusable rockets. So that means they get to do over 100 rocket launches a year, and their competitors only do about 10 at best. Long story short, SpaceX definitely deserves the biggest valuation in stock market history, coming in at $1.7 trillion, because they flat out don't have any competition. On top of all that, SpaceX actually owns Starlink. And Starlink, if you didn't know, is the biggest, best satellite internet service provider. So basically, if you buy the SpaceX stock, you're getting two for the price of one. You're getting to buy the best rocket stock and the best satellite internet stock. So $1.7 trillion is sounding a little bit low. Actually, because like I said, you're getting two for the price of one. The main thing is all of Starlink's profits go right back into SpaceX, and that's how SpaceX is able to rebuild their rockets so quickly. They can launch a rocket and then rebuild it within 13 days. Sounds crazy, but it's true. End of the day, their competitors do about one launch a month, whereas SpaceX does 12 to 15 launches in a month. This is an easy, huge money investment for me. Now, how would I bet SpaceX? Actually very conservatively, because stocks on their initial opening day, they really actually only move for about one or a few days at best. Then after that, they kind of do nothing and go down for about a week or two. Proof of this is two other giant tech stocks, Meta or Facebook and Google. These charts, they show that on the opening day for both these stocks, Facebook over here, you can see it just doesn't do much other than, a little bit. It doesn't do much, and you can get it after the first week or two. Same thing with Google over here, doesn't do much, and same deal. And, the only reason you don't want to wait too long is that it could start running up, quickly after that. After everybody realizes it's at a low price, that's when people want to really, it's called dip buying, and they want to buy that dip, and you don't want to miss out then. So yeah, really on the opening day, the people who profit are really, it's going to be the bankers and the early investors who invested a long, long time ago. They're the ones who get to really profit big. And the retail traders, which is you and I, we get stuck holding the bag. That's why I'll be looking to not really chase the stock when it goes up on the opening day or even the opening week. I'll just be looking for it to come back down and buy it after the first week. And like I said, if it somehow continues to fall, I'll be buying SpaceX in the second week. So to wrap it up, SpaceX is coming in with a $1.7 trillion valuation, by far the biggest in history of any stock opening ever. And some people still say it's all hype. But if SpaceX is having anywhere between 100 and 200 rocket launches a year, and their toughest competitor is doing maybe 10, you tell me if any rocket company has a chance in catching up to SpaceX within the next 10 years. Like I said before, SpaceX has no real competition in the rocket sector, and that's why I think SpaceX 10xing in value within the next 10 years is all the more likely. And if you're telling me I could turn $10,000 into $100,000 within 10 years, I'm taking that bet because this huge money plan is cooking.